This 2018 Jayco Eagle HT 26.5 RLDS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Forest City, Iowa 50436 and is offered for sale by Lichtsinn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features a Java with cherry cabinets interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 42 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.